Here's a 2020 Nissan Armada SV, 30,000 mile, one owner with the clean Carfax in silver. Really nice large body SUV, 7-passenger, all kinds of room, and a really good price when you compare the Nissan to comparable Expeditions or Tahoes, Suburbans, things of that nature. So just want to kind of go around. SV is the standard trim, but this thing's got a lot of equipment for a standard trim. So let's just kind of go around and see what we got. We got high intensity headlamps with a smoke pod, as you can see, as well as looks like fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. You can see the circles in the front bumper. That is your ultrasound park assist, 360 degree all the way around. Front and rear, you'll notice those. Classic Nissan grille with the black honeycomb behind the chrome overlay. You can see Firestone tires here on this vehicle, light new, really good depth. We got a large alloy split spoke wheel, and you can see a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, really focus on the wearables. We want to make sure that you don't have to put any money in these vehicles. In the wearable items shortly after getting the vehicle. So I'll show you that report in a second, but I want to show you as we look in through the passenger side front seat, you can see you do have a full power seat, including lumbar on the passenger side as well as the driver. You also see it is a light gray cloth interior, but we do have this brown piping. You'll also notice all kinds of synthetic wood grain throughout the dash of this vehicle and throughout the door panel as well. It really gives it a premium look. I really like it. It gives you the offset white stitching there, as you can see as well. So many of these vehicles are bland, you know, it's gray, it's tan. This vehicle really does give you some contrast. It looks really nice. Dark charcoal carpeting, as you can see there. Also, and you can see obviously 2 bucket seats, full console in between with an automatic floor shifter there. We do have the factory door-to-door running boards here on this vehicle. And as we look into the second row, you can see how spacious it is. very generous in leg, hip, and shoulder room. Also, as we look at the back of this console, you can see we do have 2 charging stations. We also have a climate control for the rear climate. This is tri-zone climate, so you know your rear occupants can stay connected and comfortable. And then as we peek over the back seat here, you can see the third row is generous in leg, hip, and shoulder room as well, because it is such a big body SUV. Just want to show you the wheels are in good condition and the tires all match here on the Firestone. Before I get around to the back and the other side, I do want to show you our report that I was speaking of, so we can see exactly what the brake and tire depths are. As you can see, all the check marks, everything the guys did, looked over and inspected. And as we focus in, you can see all the tires are 10/30 seconds, like new tires. All the brakes are 11 or 8/30 seconds. And if that doesn't mean anything to you as far as the depth, brand new tires are usually 10 or 12. Brand new brakes are usually 10, so you know, or 12 as well. So 70% or more, and pretty much brand new tires. As we come around to the back, you can see again those round circles for the rear park sense. Also want to show you it does have the backup camera, and we do have a power liftgate on this vehicle, so just one touch you can see it comes up on its own. And as it rises, you can also see here with the seats in the upper row position in the third row. Give you another look at those there. You still have a nice little cargo area here with this Armada. It is power folding on the seats. With a simple touch of a button. You do have a 12-volt power supply in the back, and here is our button on the liftgate for the power liftgate. Coming around again, all new tires, Firestones all the way around, and we'll give you a shot. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. All the doors, the front doors have a little button on here. You can actually press that. It'll help lock and unlock the vehicle with a touch, as long as you have the key fob present. Again, looking into the driver's side, you see full power seat, including lumbar there as well. Also, we have your classic positioning of your power windows, your power mirrors, and your power door locks right there on the door panel. And I do want to show you, we do promise 2 keys. You can see them both here. Now, when we look at the key specifically, you can see you do have a power liftgate button, the keyless entry, and the panic. Now, let's go ahead and climb into the vehicle. Start it up, get you the exact mileage here. You can see 30,148 miles. Decent miles for the 20, and you can see no accidents or damage, one owner, has some service records. Turn the radio off here. And let's continue the tour. You do have another button for the power liftgate. We do have a button here for the proximity entrance, and can't tell what that button is. Oh, you can turn the power doors on and off. We do have a foot pedal there for the emergency brake. We do have your headlamp controls on the left, have the high beams and turn signals, intermittent wiper washers front and rear on the right. Audio controls, Bluetooth, menu options to the right of the wheel, or excuse me, to the left of the wheel. To the right of the wheel is your cruise, and you can see it does have radar cruise, which will actually sense how far away the vehicle is in front of you and brake accordingly if need be. As you can see, as we look in the center stack, it is equipped with factory navigation. That's what I said. It's very well equipped as we go through this. But it also has, AM/FM satellite radio. We also got, programmable and downloadable apps, Apple CarPlay, Android music, things of that nature. And then we have your CD player here. As you can see, we have your climate control below that. Of course, it is dual climate control. We do have heated seats, as you can see here, even though they're cloth for the driver and the passenger, and then even more connectivity, USBs and power outlets and such. Your four-wheel drive control is down below here. As you can see, it does have a tow haul mode, ability to shut off your traction control, and a snow mode. It is an automatic four-wheel drive, but you can lock it in four-wheel high or four-wheel low if need be. You do have the ability to select any of the gears in the multi-speed transmission here with a tap up and down, and you do have two large cup holders. And as we open up the console, a nice deep well there to keep some belongings. We do have LED map lights up top with an auto dim on the rearview mirror. It does have your home link to program, maybe like a garage door opener or something. It does have illuminated visor mirrors as well. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. So a big SUV like this needs a big engine to haul it around, and this one has a V8. You can see the badging there on the side. Let's just take a little peek at it. You can see same engine they put in the Titans, a big V8 engine here, very clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks. You can see zero corrosion on the battery terminals or electrical contacts. Very well maintained by the previous owner. We'll shut it off. We'll get into the last portion. Just to recap, I showed you the mechanical evaluation, which showed like new brakes all the way around and brand new tires. Also showed you a copy of the auto history report, I believe. Maybe I didn't. I think I did. I'm going to show you one more time. See, no accidents, one owner. Yeah, I did show you, but I just wanted to make sure you know that we are conscious of that. We want to make sure we have clean vehicles with a clean history. Right now, I'm going to walk around, show you any minor imperfections this vehicle may have. Typically, this part of the vehicle part of the video, goes pretty quick because we do only select the cleanest off-lease and fleet vehicles available to us. We have a high standard of quality. We're in a world where everybody wants to try to be the lowest price. We want to give a competitive price, and sometimes we are the very lowest, but we really want to focus on you getting the value for your dollar, and that means, giving you as clean of a vehicle, as close to new as possible, reconditioned fully, both cosmetically in detail and as well as mechanically in the case of like the new brakes, tires, things like that. Little tiny scratch up there. And then the other thing we want to be is completely transparent. If I see a mark here, I'm going to show you guys. I'm not trying to hide anything. It is a used vehicle. It's not perfect. None of them are. But at the same time, we have people come a long, long way. To look at our vehicles. And I think part of the reason why they're so confident in driving a long distance to see our inventory is because we really do try to fairly represent them here, like just a couple stone chips, as you can see. I mean, we really try to make sure there's no surprises. Obviously, all used vehicles are going to have little stone chips and such as I'm showing. But we're going to shine a light on these blemishes. We're going to make sure you guys know about them. And other than a few stone chips, it's an excellent light new alternative. Save thousands over new. Does still have the remainder of the comprehensive powertrain and of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable from Nissan to the next owner. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up on the web at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.